Welcome to a journey beyond the ordinary, a quest to unravel the mysteries of prosperity. Have you ever pondered the secret ingredients that turn dreams into tangible reality? We are going to discuss 7 skills that makes most people millionaire. These are high-demanding skills and never goes out of fashion. Let's dive in. Skill 1. Public speaking. Public speaking, often deemed a skill reserved for stages and podiums, is a force that transcends mere rhetoric. It's a magnetic pull that can turn dreams into reality, inspire action, and propel individuals towards success. The power lies not just in the words spoken, but in the ability to connect, engage, and influence an audience. Mastering public speaking involves more than articulating words fluently. It's about conveying ideas with conviction, passion, and authenticity. The late Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Inc., was a master storyteller. His product launches were not mere presentations. They were narratives that captured the imagination of the audience. Jobs had an innate ability to simplify complex ideas, making technology accessible to everyone. His charismatic public speaking contributed significantly to Apple's success. Skill number 2 is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the technology that empowers machines to simulate human intelligence, enabling them to learn, reason, problem solve, and make decisions. AI has the potential to transform industries, automate tasks, and augment human capabilities, leading to unprecedented advancements. AI continues to evolve. It is not just a technological revolution. It is a societal transformation that demands our collective wisdom. Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, is a renowned AI expert and educator, believes that AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries, making it accessible to a broader audience through education and training. Acquire skills in AI development, machine learning, and data science. The demand for AI professionals is rising, and having expertise in these areas can lead to lucrative opportunities, whether through employment or freelance projects. Explore AI applications in finance, such as algorithmic trading, robo-advisors, and predictive analytics. Identify gaps in industries that can be addressed through AI solutions. AI continues to evolve. Individuals with a forward-thinking approach can position themselves for success in this dynamic and rapidly expanding field. Skill 3. Investing. Investing is skill, which can generate income for your financial freedom. Continuously educate yourself about different investment opportunities and financial markets. Adopt a long-term perspective when investing. Instead of trying to time the market or seeking quick profits, focus on building a diversified portfolio of quality assets. Patiently allow your investments to grow over time, taking advantage of compounding returns. Warren Buffett's disciplined investment strategy and focus on quality businesses have made him a billionaire. You may learn these strategies, learn more about investing, apply this skill, and get rich. Skill 4. Sales. To become a millionaire, you can't escape sales. Uncover the truth that any business, any job revolves around sales. Getting rich through sales involves a strategic blend of interpersonal skills. Getting rich through sales involves a strategic blend of interpersonal skills. Successful sales are rooted in building strong relationships with customers. Embrace the 10x rule mentality by setting ambitious and challenging sales goals. Sales often involves facing rejection and overcoming objections. Develop skill of resilience to bounce back from setbacks, learn from failures, and persist in pursuing your goals. Grant Cardone is a prominent sales expert, author, and motivational speaker. His 10x rule advocates for setting massive goals and taking massive actions to achieve them. Cardone emphasizes persistence, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of success as key elements in the world of sales. Mary Kay Ash, the founder of Mary Kay Cosmetics, built a successful sales empire by empowering women through direct selling. Her emphasis on recognizing and rewarding the efforts of sales consultants contributed to the company's success. Skill 5. Online marketing and branding. In today's digital landscape, online marketing and branding stand as the cornerstone for success. Mastering these skills not only elevates your visibility, but also opens doors to unprecedented financial opportunities. Online marketing provides a global platform for reaching diverse markets. Consumers are more likely to choose a brand they recognize and trust, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. Kylie Jenner utilized social media, particularly Instagram, to build her cosmetics empire. Consistent, visually appealing posts helped create a brand image that resonated with millions. Social media is a potent tool for direct engagement and brand promotion. Airbnb's success lies in its storytelling approach for marketing. McDonald's maintains a consistent brand image globally. Whether you're in New York or Tokyo, the Golden Arches signify the same experience. Embrace this skill, understand their transformative potential, and pave your way to a prosperous future. Skill 6. Coaching and consulting. Coaching and consulting, whether conducted in person or online, are powerful tools for personal and financial transformation. By identifying your niche, leveraging online platforms, and building a strong personal brand, you can not only make a significant impact on the lives of others, but also unlock the potential for substantial wealth accumulation. Tony Robbins, a globally renowned life and business coach, has impacted millions with his transformative coaching methodologies. McKinsey & Company, a leading global management consulting firm, excels in providing strategic advice to businesses and organizations. Ramit Sethi, a personal finance coach, honed in on his expertise in financial literacy. Online platforms break down geographical barriers, enabling you to connect with clients globally. This expanded reach translates to a larger pool of potential clients, increasing your opportunities for wealth accumulation. Skill 7. Building relationships. Building relationships is an art and science that extends far beyond personal connections. It is a cornerstone of success in various aspects of life, including business and wealth creation. Connecting with individuals worldwide expands your network and introduces you to diverse perspectives and opportunities. It involves creating and nurturing a network of contacts that can offer support, advice, and opportunities to grow you financially. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, attributes much of his success to building strong relationships. His approachable and personable demeanor has allowed him to form valuable partnerships and collaborations across various industries. In the pursuit of wealth, the ability to build and nurture relationships, both offline and online, is a potent tool. The richness of your relationships often mirrors the wealth you amass, making it a valuable skill in the journey toward financial success. Keith Ferrazzi, an expert in professional relationship development, emphasizes the concept of relationship capital. Investing time and effort into building strong connections can yield returns in the form of opportunities, collaborations, and shared success. These all are not just skills, but path to success and get rich. Every successful person, whenever required, use these skills. Hope you have gained value from this video. Subscribe to us for more financial knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. There's a wealth of information out there. Make use of it. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.